Hira? Hello, Hira, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you all can audible to this. So welcome to our webinar, then Beyond the Exam, Navigating the Road Ahead for Graduates. So I'm Roja Joyson and I will be one of your hosts for this session. So I hope you're all doing well and are excited to dive into this important topic. So as we all know that graduating from colleges or universities is an significant milestone in everyone's life, but it's just a beginning of a new chapter in your life. Today we will explore what lies ahead after the graduation and how on-the-job training helps to build a successful career. Okay, so let me invite Jayalakshmi for continuing the session. Jayalakshmi, please.
Good evening, everyone. So, this is Jayalakshmi participating in today's session on the topic Navigating the Road Ahead for Graduates. So, let me go through the introduction part. So, here, as we all know that the traditional education system fails in providing students with practical knowledge and industry-specific skills required in today's job market. As you know that it's very difficult for the job seekers to find an employment due to increased competition in this current scenario. So this webinar aims to give an awareness on the current unemployment situation and the issues faced by the graduates in the IT industry. Let's discuss how on-the-job training can bridge the gap between education and industry requirement to ensure a quick growth in your career.
Okay, so I hope you all can see the presentation. So Jayalakshmi, please change the slide. Hello. Yes, okay. So let me start the session on the topic current unemployment scenario. So we are much aware of the present unemployment situations like increasing competition, then skills gap, high employer expectations, a lack of professional network, employment gaps, outdated skills and confidence and self-doubt. So the first one is increasing competition. The job market is becoming competitively day by day. So the large number of fresh graduates entering to the workforce every year. So it's a huge challenge to the upcoming graduates to a secure job. So the next one is skill gap. Skill gap means there is a difference between the skills possessed by the fresh graduates and the skills required by the employers. So many graduates lack practical knowledge, so it is difficult for them to meet the demands for the job. Okay, the next one is high employer expectations. That means employers have high expectations about the fresh graduates and they already seeking graduates having both theoretical and practical knowledge. So the next one is lack of professional network. Professional network is an important one while searching a job. It plays an important role in accessing job opportunities. Fresh graduates may not have a strong professional network, that's the main thing that will be affected by today's world. And the next one is employment gap. Employment gap means career break is an important problem. So employees may raise questions the candidates about their candidates' commitments and their current skill relevance, etc. Okay, and the next one is confidence and self doubt about their job. Then returning to the workforce after a career break can often lead to feelings of self-doubt and reduced confidence. So individuals may question their abilities and struggle with the transition back into a professional environment. And the outdated skills means After a career break, individuals may experience lack of up-to-date skills and knowledge in their field. So it is a little bit challenging for every individuals to catch up and remain competitive in the current world. So the next topic is drawback of the current education system. Okay, so as we all know that education plays an important role in the development of an individual, society, and nation. But there is a lot of drawback to the current education system. The first one is emphasis on rote learning. What do you mean by rote learning? It means memorize information without understanding the exact topic. So our Indian education system tends to follow the route learning. It will limit critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving of the students. So it's a major drawback of the current education system. And the next one is lack of practical application. That means there is a significant gap between theoretical concepts taught in the classrooms and the real world application. So it is an also a major drawback to the current education system. And the next topic is limited vocational training. That means education system emphasis only on academic education, and education system neglect the development of practical skills. It is a huge drawback of current education system. And the final point is outdated curriculum and teaching methods. That means the curriculum and teaching methods are outdated, and this limits students' ability to adapt the new challenges in the current job world.
So next, let me move on to the topic, why practical knowledge is crucial. Practical knowledge is crucial for a graduate fresher to secure a job in the current IT world for several reasons. So first reason is that is industry relevance. Practical knowledge allows a candidate to demonstrate their understanding and application of concepts that are relevant to the industry. Employers value candidates who give a great contribution to projects to measure their skills. Second is problem solving. Problem solving skills helps the graduate to analyze problem, devise solution, and implement them effectively. This ensures the employers to demonstrate their capability of candidates to handle real world situations. Next is adaptability. So, a candidate possessing practical knowledge can adapt smoothly to new technology, tools, framework, and can be productive in the workplace. And fourth point is collaboration. Practical knowledge involves working on assignment, real world project to foster teamwork and collaboration skills. IT jobs typically require to work in teams, improve communication skills, collaborate, and contribute to collective goals. Next is efficiency and productivity. Practical knowledge enables graduates to work effectively and efficiently and more productive, which means if you are getting a task, you can complete it more effectively by meeting the deadline and deliver quality works. This hence enhance the productivity of IT industry. Next point is confidence. So it allows to approach job interviews, technical tests, workplace challenges, and so confidence is essential in succeeding in job interviews and make a positive impression from the side of employers. And last point, that is differentiation. Practical knowledge is essential to help the candidate stand out from the crowd. So this skill ensure you to enhance and add value to the organization. So next is challenges faced by graduates. So first is lack of hands-on experience. Graduates face lack of experience due to the limited opportunity during their academic journey. Second is evolving technology landscape. Graduates rely on outdated academic curricula and they struggle to keep up with latest trend and may not possess the skills required by the employers. And the third point is industry expectation. Employers seek candidates who can contribute a greater part in projects. If they won't possess practical knowledge, they have to this and hence result in lack of job opportunities.
Sham, please ask the questions.
Okay. Okay. Do anybody here done a project by their self? Can anybody unmute the mic and say? Do anybody done a IT project by themselves?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. What kind of project are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neeraj, what kind of project
Hi.
are you done?
Sir, I just
Hello.
completed one project based on the machine
Sorry,
learning.
Neeraj, you are not audible.
That project means, sir, now
Project is the
my
voice clear?
now my voice is developed. Yes,
Uh,
sir.
is the voice clear?
Hello.
No, Neeraj, your voice is
Yeah, my voice is
can't
clear, sir.
audible to
Your
us.
voice. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Uh, Sorry, Neeraj, your voice is completely
Clear.
down. Shraddha,
Hello.
still
Hello.
Neeraj. Yeah, we can listen, hear you, but your voice is not clear. Shraddha, can you say it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, what kind of project are you done?
Yeah, yes, sir. I have completed internships in Lagran Softech Private Limited, and I have lots of projects like recopolymorphisms and avilones projects, career buckets, that type of projects, yes, in Django and Python.
Okay, is it all done by yourself?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, can I?
Yeah,
What?
speak.
Sir. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah.
Myself, I'm Shamju.
Yeah.
Well, from my first year onwards, I worked on four major projects. Basically, I'm from a computer science student,
Okay.
specialized with the cyber security and ethical hacking and digital forensics. I
Hmm.
had done two major projects. One is based on Python, and one is based on cyber security,
Okay,
and one
Chandu,
is based on,
which framework are you done in Python?
yes, sir, basically in a PyCharm, sir.
No, framework, I mean. Like Django,
Yes, sir.
pure Python. Okay, okay, you continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The Python project is based on its titled as a voice-based assistant.
Hmm.
Basically, it acts like a Siri. It acts like a Siri. In Siri, it helps us to send a message, to send a emails, for WhatsApp search, WhatsApp messages, to search YouTube, all these things. So these kind of features we added in our program by using some of the uh, so
Some of
that,
the APIs.
yes, APIs like so that word I can't remember.
Okay, okay, Chandu, no problem. Okay, good.
Packages are like Pi, Pi audio, what kitted to listen that audio.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Basically, while coming for cybersecurity, we done a major project. It is based on DDoS attack. It is denial of service.
Okay.
It configured the web traffic. Sir. For suppose we are searching one product in a Flipkart means it will come. Sometimes it comes like a page not found or a reload packet
Yeah,
says
denial of
reload.
service.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So if the in our project works, if any hacker want try to hack that Flipkart system, if he sends 100 packets at a time means that server reach its minimum capacity now, sir. So genuine user want if want to access that Flipkart website, so it won't allow, sir, same time because it reaches the 100 limit.
Yeah,
So
like a Cloudflare protection.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So we developed a project. So it finds the attack of IP address, and we also added that email alert. It also sends a mail alert to the Flipkart that messaging
Okay,
like
Chandu, is it a group project or
yes,
just you by your
group project.
two project?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Chandu, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. How familiar are you with the version control systems like Git? Can you explain the process of creating a new branch, making changes, and merging it back into the main branch? Do anybody know it? Chandu, are you familiar with Git?
Yes, sir. Git and GitHub, GitLab,
Okay.
repository.
So, Chandra, just try to speak. What is Git?
So Git means you can store the data, you can store your own code, and you can see also another programmer's codes, and you changes in that code, that type of.
Okay, basically Git is a distributed version control system that enables software development teams to have multiple local copies of the project's code base independent of each other. These copies or branches can be created, merged, and deleted quickly, empowering
Yes.
teams to experiment with little compute cost before merging into the main branch. It's almost as you said, but it's some sort of different. Git and GitHub are two different things actually.
Yes.
Okay. Mm, okay. Okay, Chandu. Once again to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose you are tasked with optimizing the performance of a slow running website application,
Yes,
web
sir.
application. What steps would you take to identify the bottlenecks and improve its overall performance? Since you are from a cybersecurity field.
Yes, sir. First, we have to check the traffic of the website, whether a genuine user had accessed that website or not. Then we have to track that IP addresses of an user, whether it's a correct IP address or a of location of an IP address. Then we have to remove that duplicate IP addresses from that website. So we can from that we can improve our
Chandru,
website.
in the view of a developer, what will you do to speed up the website?
Basically, I don't have that knowledge in view of developer.
Uh, and if the code size increases, the performance will decrease, right?
Yes, sir. If the
So the
person
initial process
increases,
is
we
reducing the
have
code length actually.
yes, sir.
Okay, and checking the server performance, and
Yes, sir.
also
So,
the if the image size is large, it will also the performance will decrease. These are the basic things actually. What you said is good, but the basic things are these three things: server, image
yes, sir.
size,
I
and
think in a type, I think that you asked in a type of programming side.
yeah,
So I
yeah, okay, okay, I got it. I just said
yes,
okay. Uh, Chandu, have you ever integrated third-party APIs or libraries into a software project?
third
Anybody
party.
here?
No, sir. I didn't get that.
Okay, anybody here done it? Shraddha, have you done it there?
No, sir. I have idea, but I don't know actually in details.
Okay, so you have completed an internship and still you don't know it.
Yeah, no, sir.
But
It's
I know
completed.
how to.
Yeah.
But I know how to block a third party website. Basically, a third party website asks first of all asks our permission whether you have
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
every app
Okay.
asks our permission, sir. So we
Okay.
have to block
So
it itself.
so moving to our final question. Okay. Imagine you are developing a web application that needs to handle user authentication and authorization. How would you design and implement a secure authentication system? Okay. Do anybody here know it?
It's logging page and
Yeah.
security.
Okay. So how we can store our passwords? Uh, eh, how we can develop the technology behind it to secure for security? How can we increase the security actually?
Yes.
Yeah. Chandu, since you are from cyber security field, what will you do actually?
So basically, in this type of questions, every user every organization focus on three steps. It is a CIA: confidentiality, integrity, and authorization. While coming to the authorization, all the passwords that we have been given, our usernames will be stored in the backend servers.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Basically, we have to protect our server from a unauthorized user to get access.
Hmm?
We have to block that
So,
unauthorized.
how the passwords are stored in backend? Do you know about it?
Don't know, sir.
So, you are in cybersecurity field, right? So,
Yes, sir.
haven't you heard about MD5 SHA-1 encryptions?
Yes,
Encryption
sir. I
type.
heard about it. Yes, sir. Encryption and decryption. I heard about it.
Yeah. Actually, passwords are stored in encrypted format in
Encryption.
backend.
Yes, sir.
Encrypted format. That's why we can't get it directly. If we
Yes.
pass the passwords through directly, we can get it right by
Yes.
hacking purpose. So the passwords are stored internally as a encrypted formats.
Yes, right, sir.
Okay, that is a main thing we do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roja,
Okay, Shah, may I continue the session?
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next topic, that how career gap affect fresh graduates. So first of all, if a graduate is unable to secure a job within 6 months after graduation, they may face several challenges like career stagnation, skills depreciation, then delayed career progression, and increased competition. The first one is career stagnation. What do you mean by career stagnation? The longer the period of unemployment, the more challenging it can be, as we all know that. If a graduate may face career gap in their work history, the employees must raise the questions related about the current knowledge and their skills. So career stagnation is an important problem of fresh graduates. So the next one is skills depreciation. That means without gaining practical experience and updations with current industrial trends, a graduate knowledge may start to depreciate. So our technology and industry practices are growing up day to day. So then the extended period of unemployment leave out of touch with the latest trends. So that's made by skills depreciation. And the next one is delayed career progression. That means starting a career later than the anticipated can lead to a delay in career progression. So the graduates may find themselves as a disadvantage compared to their peer groups who secured employment later. So the final one is increased competition. That means, as I already told that, then the job market is becoming increasingly competitive by day. So the longer the period of unemployment, the higher the competition becomes for available job opportunities.
Yes, ma'am.
So next is about the drawbacks of enrolling a normal course in institutions. When taking a normal course in an institution, students may encounter several challenges or problems. So some of them are: first is limited industry exposure. So here, in the current scenario, there is limited opportunity for students to gain practical industry exposure. So graduates face challenges due to lack of necessary skills and knowledge demanded by the employers. Second is lack of collaboration and networking. In an environment with a large number of students, fostering collaboration and networking opportunities may be difficult. So students miss out chance to interact with groups, share ideas, and build a professional relationship beneficial for their future careers. So next is limited emphasis on soft skills development. Soft skill development, that means communication, teamwork, problem solving, and leadership quality are essential for their career success. So now IT industry is competitive, focusing on candidates to acquire skills and experience. So graduates lack necessary skills and it's difficult for them to find employment. Next is lack of career guidance and support. Many institutions will not provide career guidance and support to help students to navigate the career path. This can leave students feeling uncertain about their future prospect and may hinder their ability to make informed decisions. And the last point is limited exposure to practical application. Regarding education system, one of the main drawback is that it can be too theoretical and detached from practical skills required in workplace. The gap between theory and practice will leave the students ill prepared for the demand of job market and struggling to find employment.
Okay, the next topic is the main intention of this webinar is to know how the on-the-job training helps to achieve a better career. So the first one is practical application of knowledge. So on-the-job training allows individuals to apply theoretical knowledge to the real world that they studied from their colleges. It helps to gain hands-on experience and to develop practical skills. So the next one is industry-specific training. That means on-the-job training programs are invented to specific industries, ensuring that participants or the trainees gain specified knowledge about the industries they belong in. So it helps to meet the requirements of the industry they wish to pursue a career. So the next one is learning from experienced professionals. The main advantage of on-the-job training is then the trainees get the opportunity to learn directly from experienced professionals. Their mentorship, guidance, and insights based on their practical experience, helping the trainees for securing a better career. And the next topic is networking opportunities. Good networking with professionals, colleagues helps to secure a better job. They will get proper information regarding particular jobs from them. So networking opportunities is also an important point in benefits in the on-the-job training. Then skill development and career advancement. On-the-job training helps to acquire new skills and refining the existing ones. By expanding their skills, they get better careers. Improved employability. That means on-the-job training enhances an individual's employability by providing them with valuable practical experience and industry-specific skills. Next point is increased confidence and competence. That means on-the-job training builds confidence of the trainees by allowing individuals to practice and refine their skills in a supportive environment. So it increases the confidence of the trainees for the further growth. So the next point is exposure to workplace dynamics and culture. That means trainees learn on-the-job training helps the trainees learn how to behave in office environments, collaborate with the colleagues, communication to how to communicate effectively. So they get particular knowledge and they get efficient knowledge about how to behave in a work culture. So the next point is ongoing professional development. The participants or the trainees in the on-the-job training are encouraged to stay updated with industry trends, new technologies, and the best practices. So ensuring they remain competitive and adaptable in a then increasing then current environment, current evolving job market. And the final point is potential job opportunities. The employees may choose to hire trainees who have demonstrated their capabilities and fit within the organization during the period. So this can lead to job offers or at least provide individuals with valuable references and connections for future job searches. So these are the important benefits of on-the-job training.
So next, let's go through the topic, why you need to choose Altos EduHub. Choosing Altos EduHub for an on-the-job training, this offers several unique benefits that set it apart from other options. Some of the advantages are given below. So first one is backed by Altos Technologies. Altos EduHub is owned by Altos Technology, one of the leading software development companies located in Infopark, Kochi. This association ensures a high level of credibility, expertise, and industry relevance in the training programs offered. Second is practical learning approach. So here, Altos EduHub focuses on practical learning rather than theoretical learning, emphasizing hands-on experience and real-world application of skills. Trainees gets the opportunity to work on live project and gain valuable experience that directly aligns with industry demand. Third point is interactive training methodology. The training programs at Altos EduHub are designed to be interactive and engaging. Trainees employ interactive teaching sessions, encouraging trainees to participate actively, ask questions, and collaborate with fellow participants. This also will be a good platform for you to interact with the trainees compared to other institutions. Next is industry experienced trainers. Altos EduHub boosts a team of industry experienced trainers who bring their expertise and practical insight into the training program. These trainers have hands-on experience in the field allowing them to provide valuable guidance, mentorship, and industry best practices to the trainees. Next is exposure to Altos technologies, work culture. Being a part of Altos EduHub gives trainees exposure to the work culture and professional environment of Altos technologies. This offers a unique opportunity to understand the industry expectation, teamwork dynamics, and professional etiquette practiced in a leading development company. Next is networking opportunity. Altos EduHub provides networking opportunities with professionals from Altos Technologies and the wider industry. Trainees can interact with industry experts, establish connection, and build a strong professional network which can be advantageous for future career prospect. Next is customized training program. Here, Altos EduHub offers customized training programs tailored to specific industry requirement and skill set. This ensures that trainees receive targeted training that aligns with their career goals, enhancing their employability and making them job ready. And eighth point is supportive learning environment. Altos EduHub fosters a supportive learning environment where trainees can feel comfortable to explore, experiment, and make mistakes. Trainers provide guidance, feedback, and support throughout the training and also create a conducive atmosphere for effective learning and growth. Next is practical industry exposure. Through Altos EduHub, trainees gain practical exposure to the industry. They get the chance to work on projects and tasks that simulate real-world scenarios, allowing them to develop critical skills and experience the challenge and dynamics of the industry firsthand. And the last point, that is post-training assistance. Altos EduHub extend support beyond the training period. Trainees receive post-training assistance, including guidance on job placement, interview preparation, and career counseling, ensuring a smooth transition from training to employment. So, here this is how on-the-job training benefit to increase practical learning. Next is what we offer. So these are the courses that is offered by our training. So first is PHP development, machine learning, Java development, Android Java development, Android Flutter development, Python and Flask development, HTML and CSS development, Angular JS development, ASP.NET development, C++ development, AR development, Bootstrap development, embedded C development, IoT development, Python Django development, React plus Python Django, machine learning and data science, React.js development, HTML and CSS, UI or UX design. So next is the enrollment process. That is, enrolling in our program is quick and easy. We offer multiple convenient methods for enrollment. So first method is website enrollment. Here, first you can visit our website and navigate to the enrollment page. So here you can fill the required information in the online form, that is your personal details, preferred course, and any other additional information. Finally, you can submit the form and our team will contact you to guide you through the next step. And second is email enrollment. Send an email expressing the interest in enrolling in the program. This includes full name, contact information, and the course you wish to enroll. And also, our team will respond promptly to your email and provide you with the necessary information for the enrollment instructions. And the last point is mobile phone enrollment. So here you can contact directly by phone to initiate the enrollment process. And also, the dedicated enrollment team will assist you in providing the required information and guide you through enrollment steps over the phone. They will also ensure that you have all the necessary details and answer any queries you may have. So next is a question and answer session.
Okay. So the next session is to ask questions from your side related to the webinar topics on the job training, enrollment, or any other relevant queries. Anyone can.
Ma'am, it is a paid training or free training?
It's a paid training.
How much, ma'am?
So please enroll or please connect through this enrollment. We will contact you and tell the procedures for joining.
Okay.
Is it online based or an offline based classes, ma'am?
We are providing online training.
Okay. After completing that course, what will be the placement assurance or?
Yes, we will be providing placement assistance and also certificates are providing from our side.
Okay.
So for more information, please enroll through website enrollment or email enrollment or mobile enrollment. We will contact you and provide the details. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
Course duration.
Course duration is for 3 months. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, if you have any other questions, as I said before, please enroll to our website, email or mobile phone. We will contact you and we will provide you the correct information. Okay. So let me conclude the session. I hope you all understand all the topics that we had discussed, and I hope that everyone got a clear idea about how on-the-job training helps to build a better career, and how on-the-job training is on-the-job training is always better than an institutional training. Okay, that helps to bring the candidates or the trainees to a perfectly professional ones, and it helps to gain practical knowledge and to increase the skills. Okay, so it helps to secure a better job for your career, and our Altos EduHub also helps to bring these things to reality. And we are providing practical and professional learning, and our experienced professionals helps you to for getting a better job. Okay, so please visit our websites for more information and enroll through website, email, or mobile phone. Okay. So thank you all for joining us today for this insightful webinar. We sincerely appreciate your time and active participation in the session. So we hope you found the content very informative and gained valuable insights that you can apply in your professional lives. Okay. So once again, thank you for your active participation and making this webinar a resounding success. We look forward to connecting with you again in our future events, and wishing you all continued success and growth in your professional endeavors. So thank you all.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.